Oh, sorry to be late. And at the end of the session there is a
Hello,
surprise
friends.
for...
Today me and my friend are going to tell you about the uses of nonmetals.
Firstly, we're gonna learn about sulfur. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm gonna explain you about our first non-metal, sulfur. Sulfur has many uses such as, in skin treatments, as fungicide and insecticide, etc. Sulfur has been used since ancient times to treat certain medical conditions. It is used for its cleansing properties in the treatment of infections. Other medical uses include the elimination of parasites like ticks and fleas, the treatment of certain skin problems such as scabies and dermatitis, and the treatment of bacterial infections. Sulfur drugs are available as lotions, ointments, creams and soap. Elemental sulfur is one of the oldest fungicides and pesticides. Dusting sulfur, elemental sulfur in powdered form, is a common fungicide for grapes, strawberry.
Now Aaron will be telling us about our second non-metal, oxygen.
Guys, let's learn about oxygen. Oxygen is the life-sustaining gas present in the Earth's atmosphere. Every organism needs oxygen to respire. It is the gas which supports combustion and it has a wide variety of uses. Oxygen is used in the manufacturing of ceramics, glass making and petroleum processes. Oxygen is extensively used in medicine, high-altitude flying, deep-sea diving, and space programs. One of its major uses is the production of synthesis gases, which is used to make gasoline, methanol and ammonia. It is also used in the production of nitric acid, ethylene and other compounds.
Now we will learn about the most common and important non-metal, carbon.
Let's study the non-metal carbon. Carbon is the 15th most abundant element in the Earth's crust, and the 4th most abundant element in the universe by mass after hydrogen, helium, and oxygen. The three relatively well-known allotropes of carbon are amorphous carbon, graphite, and diamond. The major economic use of carbon other than food and wood is in the form of hydrocarbons, most notably the fossil fuel methane gas and crude oil, petroleum. Graphite is combined with clays to form the lead used in pencils used for writing and drawing. Charcoal is used as a drawing material in artwork, barbecue grilling, iron smelting, and in many other applications. The most expensive allotrope of carbon is diamond carbon in its purest form. Diamonds are used in making jewelry. Diamonds are known to be the hardest substance found on Earth, and that's why they are used in metal industries. Now we'll learn about phosphorus, our 5th non-metal in the series.
Let's learn about phosphorus and BSP. Phosphorus is an essential plant nutrient, the most often limiting nutrient, after nitrogen, and the bulk of all phosphorus production is in concentrated phosphoric acids for agriculture fertilizers, containing as much as 70% to 75%. The first striking match with a phosphorus head was invented by Charles Soria in 1830. These matches, and subsequent modifications, were made with heads of white phosphorus, an oxygen-releasing compound, potassium chloride, lead dioxide, or sometimes nitrate, and a binder. Sodium tripolyphosphate made from phosphoric acid is used in laundry detergents in some countries, but banned for this use in others. 19. This compound softens the water to enhance the performance of the detergents and to prevent pipe/boiler tube corrosion. Phosphates are used to make special glasses for sodium lamps.
Learn about nitrogen, the 5th non-metal in our series of nonmetals. Nitrogen is the chemical element with the symbol N and atomic number 7. It was first discovered and isolated by Scottish physician Daniel Rutherford in 1772. Many industrially important compounds, such as ammonia, nitric acid, organic nitrates, propellants and explosives, and cyanides, contain nitrogen. Synthetically produced ammonia and nitrates are key industrial fertilizers, and fertilizer nitrates are key pollutants in the eutrophication of water systems. Nitrogen is used as a refrigerant. When it is in a liquid form, nitrogen is very cold. Scientists use that cold nitrogen to keep things frozen. Nitrogen is used to refine oil. Scientists get oil out of the ground, but it can't be made into gasoline without nitrogen. Nitrogen is used to preserve packaged foods by stopping the oxidation of food, which causes it to go off. Light bulbs may contain nitrogen as a cheaper alternative to argon. Nitrogen gas is often used on top of liquid explosive to keep them from exploding.
As promised, now we are here with the surprise. The surprise is some interesting facts on nonmetals and BSP. The first fact is nonmetals gain.
The second one is two nonmetals, hydrogen and helium, constitute over 99% of the observable universe.
And the last is oxygen constitutes over half of the Earth's crust, oceans and atmosphere.